Hello, I'm back. Did you miss me? Just kidding. In this video, I'm basically just like explaining tips and like things that I've picked up from like in the past of how to curl hair. I wasn't really allowed to, and then I got a curling iron, or my sister got a curling iron, and then I stole it and used it and learned how to do it. Hopefully they're helpful to you, and if they're not, I'm sorry. Okay, enjoy. So the first tip I have is to first just like start off by sectioning off your hair. So if you put it like half up and half down, you can just start with the bottom and you can like pay less attention to it. The hair just got all over my face, so I was trying to use a clip to like put it back. So my second tip would be to like spray your hair before you curl it, because this will allow it to stay in for longer. I know that with my hair, like even if I use this Tresemme hairspray, like it's not gonna stay in for that long. So like to optimize the amount of time and to not waste my time, I like do this before. And then time for a fun story. I tried to curl my hair and then as you can see it didn't work and I realized I didn't turn it on. So my third tip would be to actually turn it on. And the fourth is to curl small chunks of hair and hold it for 6 to 8 seconds. So like don't take too much at a time or else it will not hold the curl at all and you'll just get frustrated. So like take a little bit, and then also while you're doing it, it's important to curl your hair down, because if it's up then like the shape's going to be weird when you take it out. So like make sure the curling iron is pointed down. And then I'm just repeating this process, taking small chunks and then holding it for like 6 to 8 seconds. And as you can see here, like I'm sometimes putting it in my hand, so if it cools in my hand it's actually going to be able to stay in for longer as well, because like it's not going to curl straighter, if that makes any sense. And basically like I'm just doing this for my entire head. Next, I just like spruced it again, and I'm doing the same thing. I'm like scrunching the hair so like the hairspray stays in. I don't really know if that even works. I just did it because I felt like it. So here is like what I'm doing is kind of bad because I'm taking really large chunks and it's not going to curl very well, but I got kind of lazy. So like don't do that if you want it to look good, because then you're going to have to recurl hair and that's just not going to be healthy. Which is why I had to do like a coconut oil egg honey mask the other day. It smelled really bad and it took like 3 days to get out. So yeah, this was a finished result after everything. I didn't really know what to do with myself because I never do my hair like this. Like I always, yeah, I was kind of struggling. Or not struggling, that's just dumb. But yeah, this is the final result. Hopefully you enjoyed.